So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share. So now let's start with our trend on our GBPJPY. So first thing first, before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend on that trade. You all know that you should always trade with the trend and not against the trend. No matter what market is doing, you would want to only trade with what market is doing, right? The trend, that is exactly what we'll be doing. And now we can clearly say that this is an uptrend move. So GBP JPY is giving us a series of higher high and higher low. So if this is our first high, this is also seen as the higher low. This is the higher high, and here is also the higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low. So markets eventually pushed up to give us a new higher high right here. So this is the higher high, and here comes the higher low. So this is also the higher high, right? Right. This is the higher high, and here comes the higher low right here. So now the market has given us an higher low, right? So we should be expecting market to push up, give us a new higher high. That is what we'll be expecting on JPY, right? That is exactly what we'll be expecting. But this movement would only be for position trader. If only you are a position trader, you would not be going in for your buy, because in the next 3 months or 4 months, market should eventually give us a new higher, probably giving us more movement to the upside. That is exactly what we'll be seeing in the next 2 3 months right now. But for if you're a day trader that would like to hold up in and enter position and opt out in that same day, you would want to be looking for your sell. Why are we going to be expecting that sell? Is that when you take a look at this your 4 hour time frame, you can clearly see that this year market is ranging in this level right here. So this is your resistance level. Markets rejected from there. Markets also rejected from this resistance level, and markets rejected from this resistance level. Markets was able to push up and give us a false breakout. Now market is now dropping back to this our support level. So guys, before you hop in for your buy, make sure market drops to tap your support level right here. So market should drop to tap our support level. If GBPJPY can drop to tap our support level, then you can now go ahead and take in your buy that will eventually push up, possibly giving us a new higher high. So first, it drop to tap our support level. If markets can drop to tap the support level, then you can now start looking for your buy setup that will eventually push up. So more updates will be covered for you guys in the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section, and also click on the subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on the next update.